Hello students, hope you all are good. Today we are going to start our exercise 7.6 which is based on multiplication of fraction. So first question, evaluate the following. First part, 2 by 5 into 3 by 7. So what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator to get our final answer. So what we have to do? 2 into 3 and 5 into 7. After multiplying this we get the product of numerator as well as product of denominator. So 2 3 is 6 and 5 7 is 35. So 6 by 35 is our answer. We have to just multiply numerator together and denominator together. Third part, 7. We can write 7 as 7 by 1 and 1 2 by 3 converted into improper fraction. 3 1 is 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3. Now again multiplying numerator together and denominator together. So 7 into 5 divided by 1 into 3. So this will be 7 5 is 35 by 3 into 1 3. So this is improper fraction converting into mixed form. So it will be 11 2 by 3. So for multiplying two fraction we have to just multiply numerator together and denominator together. Now second, evaluate the following. Now in this you can do it by two method. First by this only simple method and second by cancelling out the common factor. So let's do this by cancelling out the common factor. 2 by 3 multiply, we can write the 60 as 60 by 1. Now cancel the common factor. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, this will be 20. So what we will get, that is 2 into 20 divided by 1 into 1. So this will be 40 by 1 is equal to 40. This is the first method by cancelling out the common factor, and we can do it directly also, like 2 into 60 numerator into numerator divided by denominator 3 into 1. So this will be 120 divided by 3. Now we can cut this 120 by 3. So this will be 40, and in this also we get our answer 40. So whatever method you are going to use, this method or cancelling the common factor, your answer will be same. Now the third part, 2 by 3 of means multiply and 1 4 by 9. So 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 4 will be 13 by 9. Now we don't have any common factor in the denominator and numerator, so we can't cancel. So just multiply. 13 2s are 26 and 9 3s are 27. So this is a multiplication of 2 by 3 of 1 4 by 9. Now question number 3, find the reciprocal of each of the following. So what is reciprocal? When we are having any fraction, for example a by b is a fraction and we are going to multiply it with another fraction such that our product is 1. So let the another fraction be b by a. So b is cancelled by b and a is cancelled by a. So 1 1 1 1. 1 into 1 will be 1 and 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So whenever we are going to multiply the opposite, that is this denominator will become numerator and this numerator will become denominator, then the product is always 1. So what is reciprocal of this 9 by 13? That is this denominator will become numerator, that is 13, and 9 will become denominator. So reciprocal of 9 by 13 is 13 by 9. So reciprocal of 9 by 13 is 13 by 9. Means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Now similarly, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 19 by 8. Now what is reciprocal? Reciprocal of 19 by 8 is 8 by 9. Is 8 by 9. 8 by 19. Now fourth, evaluate the following. So first is 8 by 21 divided by 4. So whenever we are having division of two fraction, so what we have to do, first number, that is first fraction, will remain same. 8 by 21 will remain same. This division sign will become converted into multiplication sign and the number after this division sign will be reciprocal. So what is reciprocal of 4? We can write 4 is 4 by 1. So what is reciprocal of 4 by 1? 1 by 4. Now we know how to multiply two fraction. Numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. Or first we can cut out the common factor. So cancelling the common factor, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So what we get? 2 into 1 divided by 21 into 1. So what will our answer? 2 by 21. Similarly, first number will remain same. So we can write 8 as 8 by 1. So 8 by 1 will remain same. Division sign converted into multiplication, and the fraction after the division sign will be reciprocal. So this will be 6 by 5. Now multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator by denominator. So 8 into 6 divided by 5. This will be 48 by 5. Now this is improper fraction converting into mixed form. So this will be 9 5 is 45, 3 by 5. Now fifth part, first convert this mixed fraction 5 1 by 3 and 1 1 by 9 into improper fraction. 5 is a 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 3 divided 9, 1 into 9 9, 9 plus 1 10 by 9. Now first fraction will remain same. Division sign converted into multiplication, and this number after this is reciprocal. So this will be 9 by 10. Now we can cut out the common factor. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, and this will be cut by 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 8 is 16. So 8 into 3 divided by 1 into 5. So this will be 24 by 5. So this is improper fraction converting into mixed form. 5 4s are 20, 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So this will be our answer. Now let's do question number 5. Find the following first part. 2 by 11 of rupees 715. So of means multiplication. So let's do it. 2 by 11 multiply rupees 715. So cancelling out the common factor. 11 1 is 11. 11 6 is 66. 11 minus 6 5 55. So 11 5 is 55. So what we get? That is 2 into 65. So that will be 130. So 2 by 11 of rupees 715 is rupees 130. Now third part, 3 by 7 of 4 hours 40 minutes. So let's first convert this all into minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. It means 4 hour is equal to 60 into 4. That is 240 minutes. And 4 hour 40 minutes is equal to 240 plus 40 is equal to 280 minutes. Now 3 by 7 of 280 minutes we have to find. So 3 by 7 of 280 minutes. Of means multiply. So let's do it. 3 by 7 into 280. Cancelling the common factor. 7 1 is 7. And this will be 7 4 is 28. So 40. 3 into 40. This is equal to 120 minutes. And 120 minutes means 2 hours. So 3 by 7 of 4 hours and 40 minutes is 2 hours.